hoping I can work my way around. Know I made mistakes, promises I break, but I'm just a man.
Hey guys, welcome to a brand new vlog, and today we are in Poland. So we're in Warsaw. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I've been trying to learn how to pronounce it, but it's not going well. And Teresa couldn't join me for this vlog, so I hope I can just show you what's going on. We're gonna walk around and check it out. So in the back is the hotel room I'm staying, and I've got like a so-so view where you can see the buildings. There's some banks opposite, and then you also got some car park. We got like an Uber all the way from the airport to the city center. It was something like €5. It was like crazy for a 20-minute ride. Surprisingly, the language, it's similar to Czech. So instead of saying Dobry den, they say Dzień dobry or something like that. Or instead of saying Diki, they're saying Jiki. I don't even know. That's the only things I got from the taxi driver. So we're gonna walk and then we're gonna see what's happening. Left the hotel and we saw the first site. So this is apparently the tallest building in Poland, and also it's supposed to be the 6th or 5th tallest building in the European Union. So now we are on Plac Zamkowy. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, but Poland is really beautiful. So in World War II, all of this, which is behind me, that was all destroyed, and they had to rebuild everything from scratch. So it's really amazing to see what is standing now. It's just beautiful. What you see right here, so that's the castle where all the monarchs used to stay. So it was built around the 1500s. So it's one of probably the oldest buildings which you can find in Poland. So what you see here is St. John's Church, and this was also completely destroyed in the World War II bombing. So there was tanks full of explosives which took it all down, and then it was completely renovated. It's really amazing inside. And then next to it there's also another church, but I'm not sure the name.
Wspólnie odbierał wielbienie i chwałę, który mówił przez proroków.
So for lunch, we're going to a place called Zapiczek, and What I like about here is that the waiters are dressed up, and also when you look at the food, it's got like some really hearty food. There's a lot of fatty stuff in there, some sausages, some pork which was in the oven, and pork knee, as you can see here. So just went there for lunch, and that was a really good lunch. It was traditional dumplings, and they were meat inside with a gravy with bacon on top. It was really tasty, really delicious, and you had to pour some bacon with oil, so it really stuffed us up. So I'm happy with the lunch. And also this place is really busy. There's like a huge queue of people always waiting. It's a chain, but it's a very busy chain. So when you come here, make sure you try these. I think they're called pierogi. So one of the coolest things you see is this one. It's called the Barbican Wall. So this used to surround Warsaw. So it goes all the way that side. And it was one of the ways where the city defended itself, because in the back you get also the river. So it's nice, especially in evening when the sun is sort of setting. You get like So behind me is the tomb of unknown soldiers who died in World War I, and it's one of the most significant places within Warsaw as they commemorate and remember those who lost their lives. And something also interesting about here is that there's guards which are always posted 24 hours day and night. So we just come to the end of our vlog. We're in Ogrodsaski Park. So this is where we're gonna finish our day. So make sure you like, subscribe and comment, and we'll see you later.